Hello. Uh, Welcome online data communication network lectures. Today our topic is uh, layered number 7, that is the application layer 7. We already seen previous 6 layers. This is the upper topmost layer. In this layer, this is the main layer which is responsible for enable the users, whether the human or the software, and to access your network. So this is one of the most important layer, or you can say in the OSI model, whenever you need to connect your system with the network, it start to sharing the information between the others and machines. So how it is possible? This is possible because the all layers has having the responsibility. It is the layer frame structures. So to manipulate your data information in this layer, in many others, in this layer, in many ways. First of all, it enables the users and your software, and to provide the to get the access from to the network. We know that network is the connection interconnection between the two or more two communicating devices through a transmission media. When the two or more than two groups of network, they are forming the internet. So the network is internet is the group of the network of the networks. So from you get this access, you need this application layer, where there are the different services which provide by this layer. Some of these services which is actually you can provided by this layer is file transfer protocols. You can say travel file transfer protocols, you can say simple mail transfer protocols, you can say domain name systems protocols. So you need to manage your data to access or with interface between human, which is on operate on your communicating devices, and through this software. So there is some functions which is responsibility of this layers. So most of the responsibility of the three topmost layer of OSI models are in the this application layer of this network model. You know, the three topmost layer is application layer, presentation layer, and session layers. So it is the responsibility of this layer to work with this uh, two topmost others layers. The services which is I already said that email, news groups, web applications, file transfer, remote host, directory services, network management, file services, or you see all this services, which is nothing but it is the transferring the files, distributing the results among the different users. You access your data from the server, you require the directory services, you utilize the information on your level on this network. So you can access the network resources. So all these resources contains the variety of protocols that are commonly needed by the users. So one widely used application protocol is hypertext transfer protocols. That is nothing but this is the HTTP, hyper tax transfer protocol, which is the basis for the worldwide page. So World Wide Web, when the browser wants to this web page, it sends the name of the page it wants to server using HTTP hypertext transfer protocol. Then the server send the this page back. There are other applications which are already discussed in this, that is the FTP. So FTP is the file transfer protocol. F donate file, T is transfer, and your P is the protocol. When you talk about the TFTP, that means the trivial file transfer protocol. What is the difference between the file transfer protocol and trivial? When you access the only simple uh, a single data in the form of PDF or data, then only the file transfers. When you are sharing this data and you are also access not only the PDF but also you have docs file and others format files, so you require the trivial file transfer protocols. There is a email services. So email protocol is the simple mail transfer protocol, SMTP. By utilizing this SMTP, you can share your mail between the others and users. You establish the connection between the different two machines through this application layer. That software is a telnet. The telnet is provide you can communicate or you link or you directly connected your machine through this telnet services. There is a DNS, domain name systems. If we move and we can see there are so many things which is you want to remotely access, so you need this and application layer, then you transfer the database management. This is types of the distributing services. So the main you can say the application of this services, which is the extension dot 400, and this is extension dot 400 means you handling the masses. So you required the masses services. So there is a extension dot masses for the masses, and this this is the service which handling your masses requirements among the different users by the your respective utilities service, like Google, Gmail, or rediffmail.com, yahoo.com, and other things. So what do you do now? You need to first of all use this service. After that, there is a you need to access the server to get the information, that is the extension dot 500. This is the extension services for to access the directory. This is for access the services. So if you need to access the services, thank you very much. We in next lecture we see or more services in this application layers.